Managing cables and small items just got easier with Velcro brand straps. Designed for office applications, these straps keep cords snug, organized, and tidy, whether you're in a data center, truck, or home workspace. If clutter has been slowing you down, these straps offer a simple, effective solution. What makes these straps stand out is their multi-purpose design. Beyond cables, they bundle sports gear, umbrellas, pipes, hoses, skis, and poles with ease. Their hook and loop fastening system works perfectly as bike straps, securing your bicycle without hassle. Versatility is built right in. Inside the package, you get a total of 12 straps, 4 pieces measuring 8 by 0.75, 6 pieces at 12 by 1, and 2 pieces sized 18 by 1. This range covers a variety of uses, so you're ready for any organizing task, big or small. Durability is key here. Made from heavy-duty nylon, these straps are built to last through countless uses. The self-engaging design wraps firmly around itself, providing a snug and secure fit every time. Plus, the buckle adds extra tension control, so your items stay exactly where you want them. Using these straps is effortless. They engage quickly and release just as fast, making adjustments simple. Whether you're bundling cables for a quick fix or securing gear for a trip, these straps cinch tight without fuss or damage. Customers across the United States have praised these straps for their grip and build quality. One user said they were exactly what they needed, highlighting the strong hold and reliable design. That kind of feedback shows these straps deliver on their promise. If you're looking to organize your space efficiently and keep everything secure, Velcro brand straps are worth a look. They combine strength, versatility, and ease of use in one package, perfect for anyone tired of tangled cords or loose gear. Try Velcro brand straps when you're ready to take control of your cables and more. With a proven track record and thoughtful design, these straps offer a practical way to tidy up and keep things in place, no matter the setting.